All right, listen up. Imagine this, you're building something amazing, a brand, a business, a personal empire, but you're struggling to get people to actually pay attention. You're putting in the work, but it's like your content isn't hitting. Today, I'm going to break down the 5 secrets to creating content that actually connects so you can get your audience's eyes on you and start seeing real results. I'm not just talking about pretty pictures or trendy posts. I'm talking about creating content that makes people feel like they what you've got. If that sounds good, stick around. And hey, if you're ready to really step up your game, I've got a special tool for you at the end of this video. Look, you wouldn't go fishing for tuna in a bathtub, right? It's all about knowing where to cast your line. Same goes for your content. You need to know where to place it for the best results. Here's the truth. What works on Instagram won't necessarily work on YouTube or even on a billboard. Different platforms, different rules. Each has its own unique audience and style. So, first action step, get clear on where your audience is hanging out. Are they professionals, teens, or a mix of both? If you're looking to engage professionals, LinkedIn might be the place. It's a hub for business networking and industry insights. If you're targeting younger folks, TikTok or Instagram could be where you want to go. These platforms are buzzing with youthful energy and trends. And don't just guess, actually look at the data. Analytics can guide you to make informed decisions. Start by observing where your competitors post and the kind of engagement they get. This can offer valuable insights. Are people commenting, liking, sharing? Engagement metrics are key indicators of what works. Is your ideal audience more likely to scroll past a quick reel, or do they dive into longer YouTube videos? Understanding this can shape your content strategy. By knowing this, you're already miles ahead. You can tailor your content to fit the platform perfectly. So, action step. Pick 1 or 2 platforms and focus on making your content shine there. Quality over quantity. Don't spread yourself thin trying to be everywhere at once. It's better to be strong in a few places than weak everywhere. Dominate your niche, then expand. Once you've mastered one platform, you can branch out confidently. Content isn't just something you do on the side. It's a major part of building any brand today. It's the heartbeat of your brand's identity and the bridge to your audience. And it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires dedication, patience, and a long-term vision. Here's the deal. Consistent, authentic content builds trust. It's the foundation upon which strong relationships are built. People buy from brands they feel they can trust. Trust is earned through genuine interactions and reliable content. And who better to trust than the founder, the face behind it all, the person who embodies the brand's values and mission? Your audience wants to know you. They crave authenticity and transparency. They want to see the real you, not some curated facade. Show them the behind the scenes, the real moments. Set a schedule and be consistent. Consistency is key to maintaining engagement and building trust. I'm talking, put it in your calendar, set reminders, whatever it takes. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Post regularly, show up authentically, and make it your mission to serve up value every single time. Your audience will appreciate the effort. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simplicity can be powerful. Start simple, like sharing one quick tip each day that can genuinely help your audience. Small, consistent efforts add up. Or go live for 5 minutes and answer questions. Just show up. Engage with your audience in real time. Stick to this and watch the connections start to grow. Your community will flourish with your consistent and authentic presence. Chapter 3, Building Trust. Listen, trust is the golden key. No trust, no sales. It's that simple. The fastest way to build trust is by being real with your audience. Nobody wants a polished, perfect version of you. They want the real you, the one they can relate to. So tell your story. Share a struggle you've been through, something relatable that shows people you're just like them. Maybe you had a rough time starting out, or maybe you've learned some hard lessons along the way. Be open about it. Vulnerability is strength, my friends. Authenticity is magnetic, and people can feel it when you're being real. Share a bit of yourself, and trust me, people will remember you. Chapter 4, Adaptability. Content platforms are constantly changing, evolving at a rapid pace. What works today might be outdated next month or even next week. It's like trying to hit a moving target that never stays still. So the key here, stay flexible and adaptable. Adapt as the platforms evolve and be ready to pivot when necessary. Look at it as an opportunity to learn and grow, both personally and professionally. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by changes, approach them with curiosity and enthusiasm. Get excited about the new features, the new algorithms, and the endless possibilities they bring. Make it a habit to stay updated with the latest trends and updates. Follow some industry blogs or channels that focus on social media trends and innovations. Even better, set aside one day a month to review your content and see what's working and what's not, making necessary adjustments. This way, you're always on top of the latest, and you'll be able to adjust quickly if things start to shift, ensuring your success. Chapter 5, Continuous Improvement. The best creators out there, they're always improving, leveling up their skills. It's a journey, not a destination. They're constantly pushing their craft forward, always striving for that next level. And you know what? You can do the same. Invest in yourself. Read books, take courses, and learn from people who are where you want to be. You can even do something simple, like watch a video each week that dives into an area you want to improve in. Just don't get stagnant. Growth keeps things exciting, and it keeps you relevant to your audience. Take action. Now, if you're serious about growing your brand, I've got something to make it easier for you. My ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI and Digital Marketing, is packed with strategies that can take your content game to the next level. You can grab your copy at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. It's loaded with tools and insights to help you attract more followers, boost engagement, and turn that attention into sales. So go ahead, download it now, and let's start building the future of your brand today. Remember, success isn't about doing it perfectly. It's about taking that first step and staying consistent. Let's get to work.